Hello, welcome to New England Industrial Machinery. Today we're doing a video demonstration of a 2005 CompAir model L45SR. And this machine was installed new in 2006. I just purchased this unit from the original owner. Has all the documentation, parts manuals, operator manuals, wiring schematics, full complete service records going back to 2006, and it's in excellent condition. Machine is wired for 480 volt, 3-phase. Utilizes 87 amps at full load. Has all the lights and indicators if there's any issues. It says 2005 on the tag, but it was installed in 2006. L45SR. 45 kW, which is 60 horsepower. Serviced by Scales and other local service companies throughout the years. I do have pictures of the sound enclosure door cabinets off, so you can see inside the unit, pictures of the motor tags, etc. So to make it brief, we'll go ahead and start this unit and let you listen. Now, there is no air dryer with this. You'll have to have an air dryer or come up with one, but right now we're just exhausting to this through this pipe. It's probably where the connection to the air dryer went, and it's air cooled. Again, it has the sound enclosure. Great running machine, well maintained. So I will start it and we'll listen to it ramp up, and again, it's just going to exhaust full air, so you won't really get a feel for the variable speed other than when it starts up. That's a lot of air in a short amount of time. If you need air, this is the compressor for you. Beautiful. I will say that although it was maintained and it's a variable speed unit, it was in line with two other compressors. This was the main compressor. As it's a variable speed unit, they turn it on and it just delivers air as needed. So it's not really under load most of the time, except as needed. It was not a machine shop, it was a printing shop that this unit was in, very clean environment, and it currently has approximately 77,000 hours on it. But again, it sounds like a lot, but not for a variable speed unit. Rotary screw, variable speed, beautiful condition. Thank you.